Hi there, this is Dave from CrediThink. Included in the box is a small white instruction manual, but I'd like to explain how to prepare and use your newly purchased EcoFace lighting mask in this video. When you first receive your EcoFace lighting mask, please connect the wall charger to the controller for at least 3 hours. The reason why is that inside this controller is the battery. You just simply plug it in like so and then charge it for at least 3 hours and then you're all set. Once it has been fully charged, please remove the wall charger from the controller and then connect the EcoFace mask to the controller like so. And then press and hold the button as you can see here. Once you hear the sound, you'll have the option to select a designated time, 5, 10, 15, or 20 minutes. You can do so by simply tapping on the button. And then once you have desired time, please press and hold on the button once again, and then you can see that the EcoFace mask will turn on. You can begin using the product immediately. However, if by chance you want to stop using the product before the time is up, please simply press and hold the button once more in order to deactivate the product. And that concludes my explanation, and if by chance you have any questions, please do not hesitate in contacting us at any time. Thank you.